In these modern times, many people among us are exposed to silent yet deadly sexually transmitted diseases. Furthermore, many children born are the result of unwanted or unplanned pregnancies. Both of these problems can be prevented by one simple thing: a condom. High-quality condoms have been manufactured by Thai Nippon Rubber Industry for more than a decade. Thai Nippon Rubber Industry was established in 1993 in the Lam Chabang Industrial Estate and reached an annual production capacity of 60 million condoms in just the first few years of operation. The company began as a joint venture with a Japanese partner. Subsequently, we purchased our partner's shares to make the company 100% Thai-owned, manufacturing condoms for global consumers. Raw latex used in the condom manufacturing process comes from a centrifuge latex plant, which collects latex from reliable and fertile rubber plantations, then centrifuges raw latex to achieve 60% DRC, dry rubber content, which is then delivered to our manufacturing plant in liquid form. At the compounding process, several chemicals are milled to achieve specified particle sizes. Then, these chemicals are mixed with latex and water, along with other ingredients, and filled into special storage tanks for maturation. The maturation process is carried out at a specified temperature until the compounded latex is ready for dipping. The dipping is performed by dipping glass formers mounted on an endless chain into the compounded latex tanks. When the first dip is finished, the latex is dried and the glass former enters a second dip tank. Afterwards, the latex film is again dried and the bead is made by means of a brush system. The glass former then moves into the vulcanization tunnel, where it is heated to a certain temperature. When the glass former leaves the vulcanization tunnel, the latex film sticks firmly to it. The glass former is then conveyed to a leach tank, where the film is loosened so that the condom can be stripped off by means of brushes. Afterwards, the glass former is cleaned before the next production round starts. Next, the condoms are washed in the washing process and are put in a tumbling machine, where they are coated with talc or other similar powder to prevent the rubber from sticking together. The condoms are then spin-dried and tumble-dried to remove all the water and humidity, as well as to continue the vulcanization. The trained staff inspect each condom closely to see whether there is any obvious visual defect. Those imperfect condoms are discarded, leaving only the perfect ones for the next process. The condoms then undergo the electronic testing process to ensure that each of them is free of pinholes. They are individually tested and rolled through electronic pinhole testing machines, which separate accepted and rejected condoms into different containers. From every batch, samples of condoms are picked for quality control testing. This includes electrolyte water testing equipment, which tests for any water leakage. They are also tested for burst strength and elasticity by the air inflation testing equipment. Several other tests are also conducted to ensure that our condoms are of the highest standard. The perfect pinhole-free condoms are then transferred to the sealing process. They are lubricated with an automatic lubricant dispenser and sealed with the aluminum foil by the sealing machine. The condoms can be foiled in a rectangular shape or a square shape. Normally, during the sealing process, the batch number and the expiration date are also printed on the foil for future reference. In the packing process, the foiled condoms are packed according to our customers' requirements and stored in a cool, dry place, awaiting final shipment. The consumer packages are designed and made of such material that the condoms are fully protected during transportation and storage. Now, the finished condoms are packed and ready for shipment to our valued customers worldwide. From the start of the manufacturing process to the end, where the condoms are packed and sealed, you are assured that each and every condom is subjected to our rigorous quality control process, which complies with internationally recognized standards, including ISO 4074, ASTM, CNS, and WHO requirements. We have expanded our production plant in collaboration with the country's finest experts and consultants. Our plants are located in modern industrial estates situated in Sriracha, Chonburi Province. Our manufacturing facility is the world's largest, with 2,000 million condoms per year produced by dedicated and skilled workforce. We produce each condom with love, inspiration, determination, dedication, and care. Not only do we produce the best quality condoms, we are also responsible for your safety and quality of life. Every world-class condom produced by Thai Nippon Rubber Industry is manufactured with care from our hearts. Thai Nippon Rubber Industry, your trustworthy choice.